I don't know. Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an SFX clown look. My idea here is we're going to be doing pins and needles, so hopefully you saw that and hopefully it turned out well. Started off, glued down my eyebrow. Not going to play with this one today because I really don't feel like it. Lighting's probably off. I cannot spend any more time on that because it's been like 2 hours. I'm just going to let my eyebrow dry really quick because it's still wet, and then I'm going to start outlining. I'm genuinely not sure how I want to go about this, so I'm going to take, it's just any white paint. I'm using the Wet n Wild, the face paint palette. Started to go in with the latex, but then I realized I need a sponge probably. And then I realized that I gotta glue my eyebrow down. That stressed me out because I haven't put this latex on in so long and it's like old. What if I rip my eyebrow out? Then we'll be learning how to do tattoo eyebrows. I'm just gonna test it with the sponge like this really quick. I'm thinking, hold on. Oh, I'm nervous because this is old. Maybe I'm not putting it on my eyebrow. I don't know if my latex is gonna work for this, guys. No, we start over, I guess. This kind of puts a whole wrench in the plan, so I'm kind of like, we can keep this the same. I could paint the nose on. I'm so lost now, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, I think my first move is gonna be, I'm gonna paint my whole face white. Let's do that. We can save it. I've got Mehron's, the cream blend stick. Mine's a little dirty, so I'm just gonna wipe the top really quick. And we're just gonna go for it. Fully. Piercings in and all. Hopefully I can cover my eyebrow. We'll see how it goes. I'm nervous for my hair, to be honest. I didn't think this through. I just have been itching to do something, and like, I have not had any time. And I spent so much time like trying to set up the camera because my hair is red. It's kind of coming through right now, but it was like bright pink earlier. Oh my god. It's fine. I'll clean them later. But I don't know why. It's like turning so stressful for no reason. I think, would it be fun? What if I had one eyebrow? Do we think that would look bad? We'll see. I don't think I've ever seen a clown like that. But I also don't have to, like the other one could have been, yeah, okay. I don't know, guys, my brain is just not here today. I don't know. Look, I saw my little ghost though. I just washed him because there was little stuff. So we're gonna blend this out. I'm also having a little bit of FOMO. Everybody's seeing that Obsession movie and I have not gone to see it because I didn't have anyone to go see it with. So I've heard mixed reviews. Please tell me your thoughts. Don't spoil it because I might watch it. But please let me know what you think of the movie because I really want to see it. And I'm sure I could get somebody to go with me. I might just cover up the outer edges with like, maybe like, not eyeshadow, like maybe blush. I don't know. I'm like so not used to having all the piercings with the paint though. My septum doesn't really bother me, but like these ones are concerning. It's like you see they're not blending. I'm gonna fix this and I'll be right back. I have no idea what just happened to the lighting. But anyway, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm taking Wet n Wild's paint palette, like the face one they had out at Halloween. I'm taking the light gray shade. And I'm gonna like do it under my eyes because I don't want this one to be like such a clean clown. Like I feel like I always make them like have to look like perfectly the base, and I don't want to do that with this one. I'm doing something different. Hopefully. I did wet the sponge, but like it's not like dripping or anything. I guess theoretically I could use this to kind of do like a contour, right? Like that. We'll start and build up this gray. Maybe I'll add a tiny bit of black to it. I kind of like how this is turning out though. Oh, this is gonna be rough. I apologize in advance. Oh my gosh. We're going for a skinny nose apparently. Can I take this white and just go over it? Sure. It looks better on camera than it does in my mirror. I've never thought to do this though. This will be fun. This will be fun. I'm a little bummed that the original idea didn't work out today, but you know, it's like a Bob Ross beautiful oops moment, I guess. I went to the doctor today and it's not relevant, but when I said that, it just reminded me the girl that did my blood pressure was like, your blood pressure is beautiful. And it felt very odd because like I didn't I just was like, oh, okay. Like I don't know how to respond to that. You know, I wasn't expecting that. She went a little off script on me. I think I just dropped some on the floor. This is a bad idea right here. Guys, I'm going downhill right now, very fast. But it's okay. We can save it. I hope. Oh no, you can see my face. Okay. I'm gonna leave it. Not gonna touch it anymore. Just gonna finish blending the top here. Now I am gonna stay with this palette, and we're gonna use that dark red. Or maybe I should use the light. I'll use the lighter red. You need to find a brush. Taking that middle red. What am I doing? Couldn't tell you. I think we're just gonna do that same. We're gonna wing it, so we'll see how it goes. I've always seen these clowns though, and I've never gotten to do one. I have such FOMO over it. Just gonna fill this in quick. It's not gonna be red, it's gonna be like lighter. That's why I started with this one. So we're gonna go with the black from that same palette, and I wanna do one of those pointed brows. I'm gonna apologize now though, because the focus is gonna be so off because my face doesn't look like a face right now. It's trying to focus on my picture in the background. I just started to do my eye. I took the middle one and just went over. I probably should have did it higher though, because this eyelid is a little bit different. And then I stopped there, and I'm taking the darker red, this one, and I'm trying to do like a wing, I guess. I got a little distracted. I had to take a break for a second. And I'll go back in with the light. We'll just, I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Maybe I'll put like a shimmer on it or something after. Well, let's do the nose next. I don't know what I want to do. While I think about that, I'm going to start outlining this with the red paint. I don't think you're supposed to put this near your eyes, so maybe don't do this. We're going to redo like just the outline part with this. I still have to go around it with black. But I might get some fake blood out that I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to go in with that other red. I'm just kind of mixing that in. I'm just going to fill this part. I think it's still pretty dark, but that's okay. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. See, for the mouth, I guess we could do... You're not supposed to take this paint and put it on your mouth, but I'm going to do it anyway because I want to. I could just do this. Oh my gosh, not that. Shoot. Oh, we're definitely doing splatter or something then. I should not be freehanding these. This isn't looking good at all. We're gonna keep going though. I'm not filling it in super whatever, because I put the teeth in still. It's probably gonna get all over now. Yeah, I'll just do an X for the nose. And I'm gonna take the black on the other brush. We're gonna outline with that. I'm tracing it in the blood though. Oh, I didn't need to pick up the red. I'm tracing it in the red though. I don't want it to be like totally on the outside. Should I outline the X too, maybe? I don't know if that looks good or not. And then I keep forgetting clowns are not supposed to look cute, so I don't know why I'm like so worried about it looking perfect. Like I could literally just drag it. I'm not gonna do that, but I could just drag it down. Yeah, I don't know how I'm feeling about this, guys. A little nervous, gonna be honest. I don't know how to splatter because I don't have like wet paint. There's like this light gray in the palette that's not supposed to go on your eyes, so don't do that. Don't listen to me use a different paint than I am. I don't know. Can I call this a tutorial if I'm stressed the whole time and keep saying I don't know what I'm doing? Possibly. Let's see. I'm a little bummed because I really wanted to do my original idea. But I'm still thrilled to be doing a clown in general. That's still fun. I don't know how should I make the splatters. Like, should I cut one of these up a little bit? And just like start going in with it? I don't know why this is, in my mind, the route to go, but like that's not. Well, we'll find out. I mean, it's not the worst. I could use it as a contour. I feel like I'm messing this up now. The question is, do I blend it in or leave it? I kind of like how this looks, but I can't really do that here. Oh wait, that kind of looks cool. Wait, guys. Do I add one more? No, I ruined it. Shoot. Okay. I think I like that. I bought no lashes. Do I add the lashes? I like how that looked. I like how that turned out. I like that. Not a fan of this. Could do without. What if I do like... Okay, so if I take it like this... I could do this. I don't know if I like that or not. Like, I'm just throwing stuff and seeing what works. Maybe I call it. And I finish up off camera and put my lashes on and put my teeth in, and we will see what I've got going on. This was... I don't know. I'll be right back. Okay, so I changed everything about the eye. I also just decided to go with my natural lashes because I didn't want to play with the glue and the fake lashes with the paint. Blended this on the sides. I have something on my teeth. Paint. But it's to be expected, I guess. I just hate that I can't talk with these in. It kind of sucks. What do we think? I know this is messy, but I hated the other eye. I thought it looked horrible. So, I mean, given the circumstances, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you are excited to see when I do get latex to do the other look. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more content from me. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.